Kaseng samla Catholic Parish Klirian kalpenlong ka annual sports meet arajar arpusaw hakabalang chnong Klirian. Ha kasngis dang lepenher kalama jong kaseng da Ishri da manshela ilong chief guest hakani gasngi I guest of honor I samla Iraldo Shadam. Hakini ki arsngi donru ki items beper nado ka 6 meter race, 8 meter race, 6 meter race, relay race, high jump, long jump, arm wrestling, bat ke mo point. Donro ke football, bat ke basketball, shinrang bat kentai. Football boys, winners, balang dong bendi hati, runners up, balang dong Kliriat is. Basketball boys, winners, balang dong lat sutengah, runners up, balang dong Dane Syndrome. Basketball girls, winners, balang dong bendi hati, runners up, balang dong Dane Syndrome. Ya kabes disiplin pan layo da ka balang dong Kliriat is. Ha kesingpun kut ya ka annual sports meet arajar arpusang penjari kalama da ikong tilda nong tudu ilong chief guest hakani gasngi guest of honor ikong rimaya manar.
Hoi hoi hoi